pressure. Okay, what are other types of pressure? We already seen that. Okay, what is meant by atmospheric pressure and gas pressure, and then absolute pressure, vacuum and vapor pressure. These are the things we have seen in our last class. And also the temperature portion. What is meant by temperature? We already know that. It will be measuring the velocity. Okay, of this certain fluid. So it will be known as the temperature. Okay. So in that temperature topic, okay, we all already know that in degree Celsius and Kelvin, there are two different types of temperature and notations we are using. Am I right or not? So in that, so normally we just want to using here minus 273 degree Celsius. Celsius. Okay. And then 100 degrees Celsius. So in that degree Celsius point of view, okay, how we just want to changing over to the Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, so that is a very important point in this particular topic we are going to see. Okay, so the T, capital T represent at the temperature in Kelvin. Okay, and also the capital T is nothing but so small t plus 273. Okay. So it is nothing but small t, it is nothing but what? In degree Celsius. So example, if you are taking 273 degrees Celsius now. So if you are also degree Celsius. So what is the thing we just want to get? Minus 273 plus 273 degrees Celsius. Am I right? So it will be coming 0 Kelvin. Yes? So this is the formula for temperature, okay? So if here the capital T, this is denoted as in Kelvin. The temperature in Kelvin. How the temperature in Kelvin we are going to get? So it's a simple thing. We just want to add in the 273 degrees Celsius with the respective in Celsius temperature. Am I right? So that's why we are done here. So three different types of temperature we are mentioning. So 273 plus 273 minus into plus 0. Okay, 0 Kelvin. And the 0 plus 273 we can get 273 Kelvin. And 100 plus 273 what? 373 Kelvin. So this is a very mandatory thing. How we just want to change in over from degree Celsius to Kelvin. Okay. Simply we just want to add up on the 273. So that is the basic standardized temperature value. Okay. So in that, so what is the standard room temperature? Do you have any idea about it? What is the standard room temperature? Okay. So normally 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. And also the normal temperature is considered as 0 degrees Celsius. And then normal pressure can consider as 760 m of Hg. So what is the 760 mm of Hg means what? So 760 means what? Hg means what? Do you know the mercury level? We already done our experiment in our last class now in fluid mechanics and machinery laboratory. U-tube did you see that U-tube manometer which is attached to the vernier that equipment, am I right? In the parallel pipes, there are two different kinds of pipes, two different dimensions of pipe which can be attached through the U-tube manometer. In that U-tube manometer, the mercury level, based upon the mercury level, we just want to take in pressure value, gauge pressure value, the pressure difference value, we can easily we can get the accurate value. So that's why each and every pressure value we are using a mercury. Based upon the mercury level, they just want to identify the pressure and like that. Okay. So that this is the basic introduction about the temperature.